Good morning.
Good morning.
We're doing 20 questions with Bazaart employee. Are you ready?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you right now about life?
I would say a good 9.
And describe yourself in one hashtag.
Wow, that's a hard one. Can I go with hashtag still figuring it out?
Yes. And what's one thing that people don't know about you?
I think a lot of people don't know that I grew up in Singapore for a few years as a child.
Okay, coffee or tea?
As you can see, I'm making coffee, so definitely coffee.
And what are your 3 favorite things you can't live without?
It's a bit embarrassing, but I would have to go with the earplugs because I'm super sensitive to noise, music, and the people I love.
Amazing. And summer or winter?
Definitely winter. I love it when it rains.
Who's your favorite artist?
And there's a poet called Naya Weinberg, which I really like. She has this ability to say a lot in very simple words.
Cool. And what's your favorite time of the day?
I think the sunset. I live by the beach and I get to see the sunset on the beach. It's really nice.
And your go-to for having a good laugh?
That's easy. Friends never disappoints.
I love it. What's your current TV obsession?
My guilty pleasure is FBI, all the series. So I recently discovered FBI International, which is great. I'm binge watching it.
And your next vacation place?
Hopefully Thailand.
Okay. What's inspiring you in life right now?
Honestly, working with a talented team in Bazaart is really inspiring.
Best piece of advice you've ever received?
Only I determine my self-value.
Awesome. And how do you define beauty?
I don't think beauty is really supposed to be defined. I think it's supposed to be effortless and make you feel good.
Awesome. And best thing that's happened to you today?
Actually, there were not so many people on the street this morning and it felt really relaxed, so it was fun.
Awesome. Where's your favorite place to view art?
I think when I least expect it, like just walking down the street, seeing a nice graffiti or a good outfit.
Awesome. And what is your favorite color?
Blue.
And least favorite color?
Definitely brown.
What's your affirmation for today?
Go outside your comfort zone and do things that scare you, like this video.
I love it. And what's your favorite app?
That's easy. Bazaar.
Wow!